Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Shireen Khazi. This is lesson number 12, the Animal Kingdom, Standard First from Saplings Environmental Studies. Look at the pictures and complete the crossword. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Rhinoceros, R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S, rhinoceros. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Penguin, Penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Leopard, L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Bear, elephant, rhinoceros, penguin, deer, lion, giraffe, zebra, leopard, monkey. Different animals. We see different types of animals around us. Some animals are small while others are big. Some animals live on land while others live in water. The animals that live in water are also called aquatic animals. Land animals, aquatic animals. जो ज़मीन पर रहते हैं वो एनिमल्स ये है जो लैंड पे रहते हैं, लाइक मंकी, टाइगर, डियर एंड दिस इज़ रैबिट. और जो पानी में रहते हैं वो डक, टोर्टोइस, फिश, ऑक्टोपस, स्क्रैब, स्टारफिश. So these are aquatic animals which lives in water, and these are land animals which live on land. The blue whale is the largest animal in the world. वर्ल्ड में सबसे लार्जेस्ट एनिमल, सबसे बड़ा एनिमल whale है, blue whale which lives in water. Wild animals. Some animals like giraffe, lion, tiger, zebra and monkey live in forests. These animals are known as wild animals. We cannot keep wild animals at home. Tiger, kangaroo, wolf, zebra. Some wild animals live in different kinds of home. A lion lives in a den. A bear lives in a cave. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A snake lives in a hole. Domestic animals. Some animals are useful to us. We keep these animals in our homes as pet animals. or on farms. They are known as domestic animals. Domestic animals need a lot of care. Sometimes people keep animals like dogs, cats, or rabbits in their homes as pets. Rashi has 3 pets: a dog, a kitten, and a goldfish. She takes good care of her pets. She plays with her pets. She feeds them on time. She takes them to the vet for a checkup. Animals like cows, buffaloes, hens, sheep, and horses are kept on farms. They help us in many ways. It is a bright, sunny morning. Rashi is visiting her aunt's farm. Let us meet some of the animals at the farm. Bleat, bleat, I give wool. Sheep. Moo, moo, I give milk. Cow lives in shed. Nee, nee, I pull the cart.